Hi everyone, you meet me again. I'm Nun from Perfect Home. Today I'm in a gated community named Pho Chai. It's located in Mae Hia, Ampere Mueang. I would like to show you guys the house behind me, the pink color. There's a 2-story with 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and come up with the private pool. And the land size is 123 sq.wah and the house inside is around 230 square meters. So follow me to see inside. When you walk into the house, of course, the first part that you're gonna see is a garage. Then you can park 1 car here under the shade, and also 2 more cars here. I mean the outdoor. Right hand side me is a garden. This is a small garden here, but over there is a big garden with the pool. But we can see later. Now follow me into the house. Just mind the step. They have 2 step more here, and they have 2 double doors here. The first one is a wooden door, and the second one is sliding door with the mosquito net. Let's come in. You will see they have the high ceiling, and they have many windows around the house, make the wind blow, come into the house all the time. With the living area, they have 1 couch here with television, the aircon. And they have a door to go to outside to the swimming pool. And you still have some table and chair here to relax and enjoy outside. So next, for the television zone, you have 1 dining table. Okay, I move here with 4 chairs. You see there's the decoration. They decorate, matte with the white tile and wooden furniture. It's quite really nice. Walk in a little bit to the bedroom downstairs. This bedroom is an ensuite bathroom. Come with the wooden furniture also, like outside. This is a king size bed. It's a really big 1 couch here. Come with the aircon. And this is a built-in wardrobe and television zone as well. Oh, and all the bedroom here come up with the ensuite bathroom. I will show you the bathroom. See, even the door is quite really nice, a wooden door. You push it. It's quite really huge and bright because they use the white tiles to decorate the bathrooms, and come with the sinks, the toilets, and the big bathtub over here. So see, it's really huge. So I'm gonna show you the kitchen. That is really, quite really modern. It's just next to this bedroom. So now we are in front of the kitchen. So follow me inside. And I say like they still use the tiles for the floors, and this is a zone for cooking. They use 4 electric stove with the hoods and the oven here. And over there at the back is the fridge, big refrigerator fridge, the big fridge. And come up with many cupboard, even at the top here and the bottom, all around. That is it, you have a lot of space to keep all the things. This is a microwave, come with the sinks. And this is, you can see this is a door to go to outside because they prepared that zone for the laundry area. before you go up to the second floor, I'm gonna show you another bathroom downstairs. So follow me here. See, you see that they have the storage here. Before we go to the bathroom, you will see they have another zone for the office. They still have the cupboard, come with the table. This is still all the furniture they try to match to use the wooden furniture. Come here for the bathroom, but this one just have only the sinks and the toilet. See, for your guests, if you have the guests come, they can use this toilet. So we go to see the 2-bedroom in the second floor. So now we're going up to the second floor, but you still can see that they still have some space before you go up to second floor, and then you can decorate some stuff over there. This is the first bedroom for the second floor. That you will see is different from the first floor, that the floor changed to the parquet one, but still decorate with the wooden furniture. This is a king size king size bed, and they have the window all around. This make the room bright, and still have high ceilings, and with one aircon. And over there, they have a door to go to the balcony. You see, above this is one aircon, 2 double door. This is with the mosquito net and the wooden door. This is the built-in closet. It's a wooden one. See? And then follow me to the bathroom. They decorate with a back tile, come with the sinks, the mirror, the toilet, and shower with the door. And also they have extra fans, so don't worry about the smell. So move to the second bedroom of this floor. Just follow me. Okay, follow me to the last bedroom. I would like to say this is the master one because they have the big balcony. See that they have king size beds around with the window, one aircon over here. And they have space that you can put makeup table here, and this is space here. And they have the built-in wardrobes here, over here. And this is, like I said, this is a balcony. This is bigger one with a double two door. Yes. This balcony you can take the pool view, and you also can see the garden. This is quite nice when you sit even in the morning or when in the night time. So we see the bathroom of this bedroom. So walk with me. Still, see, as you can see, this is bigger than that bathroom. Come with the sinks, the mirror, but this shower that just only don't have the door to cover, and this is a toilet. See, this is quite have space here. So, but I will show you the garden and the pool outside. So now we are outside of the house. That I will to show you the garden and the swimming pool. Now you see the walk path. They decorate with the nice with the trees here. And behind me is a swimming pool. It's a chlorine pool. I think the size is around 11 times 5, but we can check it again. And if you want to wash your body before you go for swim, they also still have the shower over there with I think it's still good to have one. And this is a relax zone that you have the set table with 4 chairs and the 2 chairs that you can bench here. And also they have the fans, the ceiling fan here. See, it feels like you in the beach and you take the swimming pool view. And next to the pool, they still have some garden here, but this one they put the rock instead of the grass, and still have some decoration, the garden decoration, and around with the greens one here. It makes the house like private, more private, because you can hide the house from the outside with the high trees here. And also they can, they make the walk path here, go to the garage. Well, I would like to wrap up all information about this house for you guys again. This nice 2-story that is located in the gate community is named Ban Pho Chai, ตำบล Mae Hia อำเภอเมือง They have 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and come up with a private pool. This is a Korean, and the land size is 123 sq.wah, and the house inside is 230 square meters. Also, the house is faced to the north. It's not hot in the afternoon, and they come with partly furnished. If you want to know which one is not in good, you can contact me. About the direction, if you want to come to this house, you take the highway 108. Let's say you come from the airport, you going straight, and then when you meet Mae Hia intersection, you take a U-turn and take around 100 or 200 meters. You will see the alley named Soi Ban Tam Nak. Then you turn left. That alley, around 1.5 kilometers, you will arrive here, Ban Pho Chai. The place that near to this gate community. This one is not far from Big C, it's only take 2.5 kilometers. And the hospital, the nearest hospital is Chiang Mai Kai Mot. You take only 3.7 kilometers. And also they have the school, of course, they have international school nearby here. It's Lana International School, it's only 1.3 kilometers. And the airport, you take 5.3 kilometers. And this gate community is quite really safe because they have security 24 hours, and then don't worry about the safety. If you want to visit this house or you have any information, you contact me this number. Or maybe you can leave the comment below here. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like and share this video. And let's see what we're gonna show you next video. But today I have to say goodbye and see you next video.